What's up, guys? Back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing 2v2s. Subscribe and like if you guys want us to do more videos with Riker the Biker in the background and the cameraman.
Yep, that's me.
Subscribe and like if you guys want a cookie. And let's get started.
Okay, guys. Today I'm with two
Riker, top key.
monkey. Okay. Oh. Hey!
Damn, me boxing. Because I'm like that.
You're two.
Cook him up. Riker. Swing it.
So guard him.
Nah.
Oh, yeah, that's a
No
pass. How did that not go in my hand? Riker's got him. Oh my gosh, I forgot to.
Come on,
What
teammate.
the hell?
Oh.
That was in my hand. Alright, no grab, guys.
Let's go.
Swing it, Riker, swing it, wing.
No, bro. What are you doing?
Bro,
Let's go.
Go in?
Alright, good.
Is that not in my hand?
Good.
He's right there.
I'm open. Aw, eh. Okay,
Bro,
guys.
what?
What is this? Do you have on?
In what?
Whoa, yeah.
My stick here.
No!
Bro. Yeah. I was about to
Let's
block by
go.
Riker. Top key.
Alright, don't get baited. Don't get baited.
Top key. Pass me the
I got an
ball.
idea.
Green.
Right
Ooh,
there.
Green.
don't touch it.
Out on
Don't touch
you.
it.
Okay, that's
Hold
all.
on, let me grab it. Hey, what the? Boom! Hey!
Blocked by James.
Oh, I thought you were my teammate.
Oh my.
Let's go.
What are you doing?
I jumped through.
I don't know. Well, what? Oh.
Damn.
No!
Damn.
It sucks. I.
Riker.
What you gonna do?
Riker.
Boy. Dude, you're supposed to guard
Fade
the
away.
teammate.
That's it. Oh my gosh, you have to.
Damn.
Fade away. Damn!
Bro, what the
hell?
hell? Got him, Riker, got him.
I got an idea.
No.
Hi.
He's right behind
Have
Buddy, I'm right behind you.
an idea. Bum.
Hey,
Bum.
Alright. You gotta lock in, Riker. Come on. Top key.
Bum.
Oh, that's an
No.
pass. That's good.
Goon, let me goon.
Let me goon.
Bro, what? Oh my.
Oh,
You're not
hell
making
no.
that. You're
Hi,
not.
teammate. No, teammate. Get goon baited. Come on.
Get it,
Yes.
Mike. Got
You can do
Got
a
him.
3.
That's your man.
I'll do. Come on.
Great.
Oh, I missed.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Riker, swing it, top key.
Magnitude.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Riker, top key.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Chris, a pass. That's a pass. Yes, sir. Riker,
No.
back. Top key. Yes, sir, guys.
I do it.
Tie game. Tie game.
Because I took it like 2 times and I was like, you're good. You can do. Come on. Bait. No.
Oh, yeah, Chris.
Damn.
No. You gotta
Buddy,
pass hard.
what are you jumping for? Put your
Hold on.
Okay, Chris.
Let me.
Oh my.
Wait.
Riker, give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Oh, 132
Oh, yeah,
throw
guys.
power.
Chris.
1-2-1. 1-2-1.
Oh yeah. Oh, Chris. That's a pass.
Jumping out.
Wow.
Throw my spell power. So
That's a aura.
might be.
Riker, swing
I
it. Top
think
key.
I can
Are we
do it.
open? I'm open.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Riker.
Bacon, egg,
Riker,
and
corner.
cheese.
Oh yeah, that's
No
an alley.
way.
My bad.
Yeah, boy.
That's pretty good.
That's a clip.
He just put a highlight on it.
No!
Mark one.
No!
Where's the goaltend?
Chris.
Red.
My fault, Riker.
No.
That's bad. All right.
You do it.
What are you guys doing? A layup again? Like,
Stick drift.
Oh, okay. Hey. Space!
Rejected by Anthony Davis.
spotted.
Come on!
OBJ.
Oh yeah. Come on, Chris.
Bam!
Green.
No!
Riker.
No!
Chris.
Let's go!
Oh my God!
Hey, I grabbed it!
Well,
Go.
that would have been a crazy alley. I was about to do that.
I got
but
you.
I was moving backwards.
I throw it,
You throw
Hit
it,
the backboard if you
then you
need
get
to.
swapped.
What?
Bro.
Let's go.
Like
Dang, that's
pass
next
it,
thing.
top key, half court, half court. Like half court. Pass,
Oh.
pass.
No, you don't. Ah.
Oh my
Great.
gosh, that's my fault.
No money. Pass.
How did I get that?
Bro.
You trust me, trust me, trust me. Trust me.
We gotta lock it, Michael. We gotta
I was
lock it.
gonna pass
Bacon,
it.
egg, and
Lock
cheese.
it. Pass it around, pass it around. Pass it around. Michael, come on.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Wait. My fault, that's my fault. I called back comms.
Hey.
I slipped on my hand. No, that was bad comms, Michael. That was bad comms. My fault.
Bam, bam, bam.
Why am I jumping sideways? Michael,
Damn.
block that. Block that.
Boom.
Literally having it in my hand and it's not counting. Michael, top key, top key.
This dude got baited.
Michael, top key, top key.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
He missed. He missed. What the hell happened?
Shoot that, shoot that.
You got him, got him, got him.
There's a pass. Oh,
He missed.
No.
That was a teammate? Hey!
It was 50.
Oh, okay, good. That works.
It was 50-50.
Okay, I got an idea.
Step out. Step out for me. Damn.
That was a pass. Yep.
Oh, yeah, Chris, Chris.
Gosh.
That was a
No,
pass?
Chrissy, Chrissy, Chrissy.
Ah,
That was not a pass.
Dang.
Oh!
All right, come on, Chris. You gotta win this.
Dun, dun, dun.
Strap him up. Strap
Oh,
him up. Strap him
Quick.
up.
Ah, shit.
Get that V. Get that.
Let's go! No! Okay.
Back up game. Come
We're
on.
gonna have to
We're losing.
defend this.
Right.
This is the last shot. If they get a Glizzy 3,
I'm right here.
No. I saw
No.
Pass that.
come on, brother.
Chris, guard him, guard him, guard
No.
him.
If you gotta hit it, I got
I'm
you.
going so slow.
No.
Yes, sir.
Throw it at the backboard.
Let me lock.
Can't
Like,
read
pass
that.
it around. Top key, top key. Swing it, swing it. Quick, quick. Top key, top key.
Yes, it's in the ground.
Top key, like, top key. Top key. Just throw it up on his head. Dang, Chris, he's literally on you.
No!
Oh yeah.
Damn! Damn!
What the?
Hold on. You get it? You get it?
You guys are not allowed to dunk for game. Oh, you guys can dunk, but
Why not?
you can
Ooh,
dunk
I'm getting
it.
blocked.
But
I'm getting marked.
no.
Dang! Let's go. Game over.
GG's.
GG's, dude.
Good game.
You're good.
Did I get to level 81 or am I?
That went in. This game is so. Alright, let's go. Whew. Oh yeah. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, got him up. That is not straps. Teammate. Teammate, pass him the ball. He open. Teammate, pass him the ball. Oh yeah, that's an all pass. Is that a pass? Oh
Okay,
yeah,
Chris,
you
you're just
lost
telling me
it. You lost it.
Chris, stop saying, stop in that voice, Chris. It's annoying.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what?
Half court. That's an alley. Micah. Where alley?
That left me wide open. Almost took that.
Dude, Micah, he is not.
Chris, Chris.
Oh my.
Chris,
I'm trying to pass you the ball.
that's not what that signal is, Chris.
I know what it means.
Remember, that's alley.
Yes. Oh shit. He breaks that.
Oh my gosh. Get there.
Oh yeah.
Chris.
Oh yeah. That's green. I think his teammate left. Oh no.
Holy step. Your team is basically. Give me that.
It was 50-50.
Oh, that was a pass. That was a pass.
Yo, my
Yeah,
bad I'm
like a
not
half court.
talking is because you said no swearing, and I'm listening to
need to
music right
stop
now, and
shooting.
it's swearing right now. So my
Okay.
bad I'm not talking,
It's alright. You go.
Bro, how do I
Micah,
keep
pass
losing
it?
the
Pass
ball?
it.
and
Get
I
the
don't
ball. Get the
want.
ball.
What's going on?
I
Yo,
can't.
teammate. Never mind. He's got it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Chris.
That's a get it. That's a pass.
Teammate. Oh,
That's a
it's
pass.
alright.
Yes sir.
Alley,
Let me
baby.
grab it.
Stick. Hold on, I.
Wait.
Bro, the ball keeps glitching when I try to dribble.
It's just that my controller is broken right now. So
Chris.
look, I'm trying to move forward right
Micah,
now, but
alley.
wait, am I still on mute or did I
No, we
No,
can
you're
hear you.
talking.
Let me take a bite out of my chicken.
All right, Chris.
Come on,
Lock
Timmy, you
him
got
up.
that. I'm taking a
Lock
bite.
him
I'm
up.
taking a bite.
Lock him up. Lock him up. Lock him
Bro,
up.
how do I keep losing the ball?
Chris.
Oh yeah, that's a pass. Swing it back.
Chris.
What was that? I could have grabbed.
Head, bro.
You got that,
He said
teammate.
yes.
Dribble, dribble.
You can't shoot off
Why?
that.
Chris, Chris.
Alright, I'm back.
Chris, what are you doing?
What? I have that.
That was
that's
kind of
snatch.
a badass.
That's snatch.
That wasn't a
How was
snag.
this net?
I don't even know.
That wasn't a snag.
I had it.
He had it in his hand.
He did?
Chris Garner. Yeah. I got paint, Chris. I got paint.
Hey,
Bro, I
nice
had
dunk,
that.
teammate.
Chris.
Yo, is this a no assist lobby? Great hand signs.
Yes, sir.
Nice
Bang,
shot.
bang, bang. We practice these like hand signs.
I didn't grab it. My bad, teammate. That was my fault.
Chris.
Oh yeah, that means Ali, or that means throw it up. Oh no,
Vega. Top key. Oh,
great pass, Jimmy.
oh, that's an alley.
Ooh, holy ball. Chris.
No.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I had that.
Oh yeah, I got it. Oh shoot.
Thank you guys for watching this whole entire video. If you made it to the end, subscribe and like for 5 cookies for making it to the end. Because you actually watch videos. They're cool. They're awesome sauce. But anyways,
Awesome
thank
sauce.
you guys for watching the channel, watching our channel. Thank you for all the support, like subs, views, likes, comments, and all that. And hold on, Chris, follow me.
And thank you guys for watching.